Welcome everyone to our series in Algebra, GSS aspect of it. We'll be continuing with our subtopic factorization. Another factorization we are treating applying difference of two squares method. This type of factorization is done by the pattern x squared minus y squared, which is equals to x plus y bracket open and close into another bracket open x minus y, or x minus y bracket open and close into another bracket x plus y. It is now left for us as learner to identify that our factorization question is in this form, directly or indirectly. Usually, the terms to factorize are only two terms, unlike the others which are 3 or 4 terms. Example, factorize 1 minus s squared. The options are given. A, 1 minus s, bracket open and close, into another bracket 1 plus s. B, 1 minus s, bracket open and close, into another bracket 1 minus s. C, x minus 1, bracket open and close, into another bracket s minus 1. D, x plus 1, bracket open and close, into another bracket s minus 1. E, x into bracket open s minus 1. Solution. Since the terms are only 2, we look again to know that 1 square is the same thing as 1. As to say 1 square is equals to 1. So, we can conveniently say 1 minus s square is the same as 1 square minus s square. Applying difference of two squares, 1 minus s square will be equals to 1 minus s, bracket open and close, into 1 plus s, bracket open and close. Or, you said 1 minus s square equals to 1 plus s, bracket open and close, into another bracket 1 minus s. The two expressions are the same, as 2 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 2. Another example, factorize the expression 9 minus 4m squared. A, 3 minus 2m, bracket open and close, into another bracket 3 minus 2m. B, 3 plus 2m, bracket open and close, into another bracket 3 plus 2m. C, 2m minus 3, bracket open and close, into another bracket 2m minus 3. D, 3 plus 2m, bracket open and close, into another bracket 2m minus 3. E, 3 plus 2m, bracket open and close, into another bracket 3 minus 2m. Solution. Since the terms are 2, we should look and see that this is indirect difference of two squares pattern. 9 minus 4m square is the same as 3 square minus 2 square m square, which is the same as 3 square minus bracket open 2m bracket close square. Applying s square minus y square equals to x minus y bracket open and close into another bracket s plus y. Here x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2m. So our 3 square minus 2m bracket open and close square will be equals to 3 minus 2m bracket open and close into another bracket 3 plus 2m. That is our result. Another example. Factorize the expression 36 minus 9a square. The options are given. A, 18 plus 4a bracket open and close into another bracket open 18 minus 4a bracket close. B, 12 plus 4a bracket open and close into another bracket 3 plus 4a bracket close. C, 9 minus 4a to bracket open and close into another bracket 9 plus 4a. D, 6 plus 3a bracket open and close into another bracket 6 minus 3a. E, 6 minus 3a bracket open and close into another bracket 6 minus 3a. Solution. We should observe that the terms to factorize are 2. Checking, we see that 36 minus 9a square is the same as 6 square minus 3 square a square, which is the same as 6 square minus 3a bracket open and close square. Applying the difference of two square rule, which says that x square minus y square equals to x minus y bracket open and close into another bracket s plus y. Here x is 6 and y is 3a. Thus, 6 square minus 3a, bracket open and close square, will be equals to 6 minus 3a, bracket open and close, into another bracket, 6 plus 3a. That's our result. Another example. Factorize 4x squared minus 9y squared. The options are given. A, 2x plus 3y, bracket open and close, into another bracket, 2x plus 3y. B, 2x plus 3y, bracket open and close, into another bracket, 2x minus 3y. C, 2x minus 3y, into bracket open and close, into another bracket, 2x minus 3. D, 2x minus 3y, into another bracket open, 2 minus 3y. E, 2 minus 3y, into bracket open, another bracket open, 2y minus 3x. Solution. Yes, this is a difference of two squares expression, as 4 is 2 squared, while 9 is 3 squared. Thus, 4x squared minus 9y squared will be equals to 2 squared x squared minus 3 squared y squared, which is equals to 2x, bracket open and close square, minus 3y, bracket open and close square. Applying the difference of two squares, that will be equals to 2x minus 3y, bracket open and close, into another bracket open, 2x plus 3y. Another example. Factorize the quadratic expression given below. S squared minus y squared z squared. Solution. S squared minus y squared z squared can be written as square minus yz, bracket open and close, square. Applying difference of two squares factorization. S square minus yz, bracket open and close, square will be equals to x plus yz, the bracket open and close, x minus yz. Okay, we've come to the end of the example under the subtopic. Next, we have some exercises on page 104, a hidden fact in JSCE mathematics. Quickly, we go to our next subtopic, factorization of other quadratic expressions. Expressions whose highest degree of unknown is 2 is called quadratic expression. If this definition gives you headache, let us try another way to explain it. Now, let's list some expression and study their pattern. I, 2x plus 10 equals to 0. I, y equals to 2x plus 3. I, x squared minus 2x plus 3. You will observe that I and I are linear in nature. Then the I one is simple linear equation. That is how we call it, simple linear equation. Then 2 is linear equation in two variables. Then I, the 3 is a quadratic expression. They did not get these names by magic. It is because I and I has x, but the power of x is 1. Bracket open, x is raised to power 1, bracket close. Though it is not shown openly, as for I, the power of x is 2. That is, x is raised to power 2. Hence the name quadratic. We can now say linear means power 1. Quadratic means power 2. Leave the rest for higher classes. Factorizing a quadratic expression, it is usually 3 terms, but our aim is to make them 4 terms. Then we take 2 terms at a time to factorize. Example, factorize x squared plus 5s plus 6. Solution. We look for the factors of plus 6 that when added gives us plus 5. Now we list them out, factors of plus 6, then added value. In the first case, we have plus 6 and plus 1. When added, will give us plus 7. In the second case, we have plus 2 and plus 3. When added, will give us plus 5. In the third case, we have minus 2 and minus 3. When added, will give us minus 5. Note, minus 2 and plus 3 or minus 6 and plus 1 are not factors of plus 6 but minus 6. Out of the stated factors of plus 6, only 2 fit plus 5. Next, we change plus 5s to plus 2s plus 3x in our given expression. Thus, we now have x squared plus 5s plus 6 will be equals to x squared plus 2s plus 3s plus 6. We have gotten 4 terms successfully without damage. Factorizing, taking 2 terms at a time, x squared plus 2x plus 3s plus 6 will be equals to x into bracket open x plus 2 bracket close plus 3 into x plus 2 bracket close. X plus 2 is common, we factor it out, and that will give us x plus 2 bracket open and close into x plus 3. Another example. Factorize x squared plus 7s plus 10. Solution. Check for the factors of plus 10 that were added gives plus 7. Factors of plus 10 and their added values. The first case, plus 10 and plus 1. Added value will be plus 11. Second case, plus 5 and plus 2. Added value plus 7. Note that minus 10 and plus 1, minus 5 and plus 2 are not factors of plus 10. Out of the 2 stated factors of plus 10, 2 fit into our work. We change plus 7s to plus 5s plus 2s in our given expression. Thus, s squared plus 7s plus 10 will be equals to s squared plus 5s plus 2s plus 10. We have gotten 4 terms. Factorizing, taking 2 terms at a time, we have x squared plus 5s plus 2s plus 10 will be equals to x into bracket open x plus 5 bracket close plus 2 into x plus 5 bracket close. We factor out x plus 5, which is common. Our solution becomes x plus 5 bracket open and close into another bracket open x plus 2. Another example. Factorize x squared plus 10x minus 24. Solution. We look for the factors of minus 24 that when added gives us plus 10. Factors of 24, factors of minus 24, added value. The first case we have minus 24 and plus 1, and the added value will be minus 23. The second case we have minus 8 and plus 3, and the added value will give us minus 5. The third case we have plus 8 and minus 3, and the added value will give us plus 5. The third case we have minus 12 and plus 2. The added value will give us minus 10. The fifth case we have plus 12 and minus 2. The added value will give us plus 10. The last factor meets our demand. We change plus 10s to plus 12s minus 2s in our given expression. Thus, x squared plus 10x minus 24 will be equals to x squared plus 12x minus 2x minus 24. Factorizing 2 terms at a time, we have factor out x in the first case. We now have x into bracket open x plus 12 bracket close, then minus 2 into bracket open x plus 12 bracket close. Then we can now factor out s plus 12. So we now have it as s plus 12 bracket open and close into x minus 2. Another example. Factorize x squared plus 4x minus 192. The options are given: A, x minus 4 bracket open into another bracket open x plus 48. B, bracket open x plus 4 bracket close into another bracket x minus 48. C, x minus 12 bracket open and close into another bracket x plus 16. D, x minus 12 bracket open and close into another bracket x minus 16. E, x plus 16 bracket open and close into another bracket x plus 12. Solution. We are to find the factors of minus 192 that when added gives us plus 4. Factors of minus 192 and their added values. First case, minus 2 and 96. Added value will give us plus 94. In the second case, minus 4 and plus 48, and that will give us plus 44. The third case, minus 8 and 24, and that will give us plus 16. The second case, plus 16 and minus 12, and that will give us plus 4. The last factor will help us. So we change plus 4s to plus 16s minus 12s in our given expression. Thus, x squared plus 4s minus 192 will be equals to x squared plus 16x minus 12x minus 192. And that will give us x into, we factor out x, should be equals to x into x plus 16, bracket open and close, minus 12 into x plus 16. Then we factor out x plus 16. X plus 16, bracket open and close, into x minus 12. Another example. Factorize a squared minus 8a minus a plus 8. A minus 8 into bracket open and close into another bracket a minus 1, bracket close. B, a plus 8, bracket open and close, into another bracket open a minus 1. C, a minus 8, bracket open and close, into another bracket open a plus 1. D, a plus 8, bracket open and close, into another bracket open a plus 1. E, a into a minus 8, bracket open and close, into another bracket a plus 1. Solution. A squared minus 8a minus a plus 8. The given expression has been simplified. Next, we factor out a common term, which is the same as a into bracket open a minus 8, bracket close, minus 1, into bracket open a minus 8, bracket close, which is equals to, since a minus 8 is common, we factor it out, which is equals to a minus 8, bracket open and close, into a minus 1. We've come to the end of the example under this subtopic. Next, we have some exercises. Page 107 for our book, Hidden Facts in JSCE Mathematics. I advise you try your hands on the exercises. Answers are given at the answer section of the book, either the hard copy or the soft copy. Thank you.